Entering Vela Sector.
And now I suppose we need to go.
I've been doing a bit of investigating, and it looks like Azimuth lives in a decommissioned mining robot on Torin 4.
Got it. Thanks, Quark. I'll head over there now.
Whoa. I need ammo. Well, I'm trying to find a comfortable stance for me to stay in. I need to get some kind of puff for my room. Oh, leveled up. Didn't even notice. Damn it, I lost HP. Nine left. 5. Maybe two of these are the last 5 I think. Yeah, only 2. Yep. For what weapon is it? Okay. Timed. I prefer on contact. Let me just see the colors. Paint. Angela Special. Is this a reference to Angela Cross? I like the Zoni. I don't really have the patience to be myself putting the colors, since I can take a lot of time doing that. So I won't be doing it. Okay, do I need to get some Zoni? I don't think so. Let's land.
Quark, come in. I just landed on Torin 4. Do the Fongoids know where I can find Azimuth?
Chief, something says he supposedly lives in the ruins of Volgrum Pass.
Volgrum Pass. Alright. Maybe someone around here can point me in the right direction. See what else you can find. I'll be in touch.
Roger that. Quark out.
That thing over there we can fix later in the game. We need to fix it as Clank and then return here. On this planet we get one of the most important items in this game, and in my opinion one of the most important items invented in Ratchet Clank game. It's simply amazing. Hello there, dear Villard.
Greetings, outsider. What brings you to Molinoff? Volgrum Pass? Surely a peaceful adventurer such as yourself has no business in such a dangerous place. But if you insist, it is just beyond the hollow to the east. Ask the Guardian for entry.
Okay, thanks for the info. I don't really want to spend much time asking for things because those texts can take a while to load. Whoa. Where's the thing? I can't see my... Okay, it's appearing now. Oh, leveled up. Whoa, for some reason, I think the weapons are leveling up way faster than normal. Is it because of the difficulty level? I don't know. This difficulty I'm playing on, it can only be unlocked after you finish the game at least once. When you start a new... oh crap, I didn't notice this guy over here. When you start a new game, that difficulty isn't available. You can start on hard though, and if you want to get the platinum by starting on hard, you can get the difficulty levels. Don't be stupid like me that I started on normal, because I was thinking hard would be hard, you know? And I first wanted to play for fun. But then I finished the game, and I started in this difficulty. I didn't play hard.
Halt, outsider. What business have you in the Hollow?
I'm looking for Volgrim Pass.
Volgrim Pass, where the exile dwells. It is beyond this Hollow. But we do not grant entrance to outsiders. They must find it for themselves.
Okay, if you say so.
Ratchet, come in.
No, there's Zoni here.
Droids just told me about a race of brutal warriors who apparently hate nefarious. They're called
Zoni, no.
Dorians. I'm heading over there now to
That wasn't my objective.
Mark, I don't
Okay.
think that's such a good idea.
Normally I'd agree with you, but the Fungoids insist that I leave as soon as possible. They even paid the Agorians to come pick me up. Isn't that nice? I'll keep you posted. Work out.
No shit, I kinda messed up. Oh man, that was stupid, man. Why did I say man 2 times in a row? No.
Welcome, outsider. I apologize for the ruse, but we like to keep our operation away from the prying eyes of galactic authorities. Come, you have proven yourself worthy. Volgrim Pass is on the other side of the Hollow, but you must be aware that there is a dangerous exile there. Most of our kind do our best to stay away from it.
Why? What'd he do?
Oh, you know. Attacked one of Thyrraosis transports. Blew up Vorsalon's outpost in Korthos. The usual rebel stuff. Here we are. Not again. Do me a favor and grab that battery bod, will ya? Good-for-nothing creatures never stay in their sockets. Wonderful. Well done, outsider. And welcome to the Hollow. The battery buds are revolting. All systems are offline. Oh, call the home office. Tell them we have a code 11-13. Without power,
Well.
I'm afraid access to Volgrim Pass is impossible. Looks like you're out of luck, outsider. Grummelnet presents to you the ultimate problem solver. Welcome back, Chief.
Might as well get it.
Dynamo of Doom! Now this is a weapon for serious adventurers. Outnumbered by enemies? No problem. Even the score by deploying this remote-controlled orb. Once activated, you can steer it around the battlefield and wipe out the whole lot of them. The Dynamo of Doom. Available only at GrumbleNet.
Snoop around, Chief.
Attention, attention. We have a code 11. Low battery bus in the hollow. All personnel remain calm. Tactical disposal has been back. Survive is useful.
Lousy code 11-13.
Here's another mod. Let me see. Pull. Charge. No, I prefer pull for now.
You guys, hey, you part of the tactical disposal team? I got a raw battery pot over here. Use it to run the shredder. I think they're gonna have the treasure coming online.
First out of 3 active.
We worn the suits upstairs the first time this happened. Did they listen? No. What we need is to convert to gelatonium like the rest of the galaxy.
The factory is coming online.
Hey, the compactor's up and running. Thanks, outsider. Good for nothing battery bolts. Costing us time and money.
The incinerator station is coming online.
Yay. So now we can go through here and hopefully reach our destination.
Attention. Code 11-13 is no longer in effect. The battery bus has been stolen. Hail outsider.
You did it, outsider.
It's alright.
Incinerator is online. Hey, it's an outsider. Hey, back in business, outsider.
I think if we get squashed by these things, it's an instant death. Tell the truth, I don't really like this weapon. I do change it to suit my style of gameplay when I get other mods, but I don't really like the weapon. The the weapons from other Ratchet Clank games are better in my opinion. I mean, not the weapons, they're all arsenal, but some of them. For example, the gun type of weapon in other Ratchet Clank games, I prefer any. Even the blaster, I prefer it to this one because it's fire. It has a fire rate, a faster fire rate.
Excuse me, hi. Do you know where I can find Alister or Azimuth?
Chase scene.
The element of surprise. Killing me won't be so easy.
I just want to talk to you.
Lies! You're here to assassinate me. Who sent you? Orsalon? Thyrraosis? Figures they lack the spine to confront me themselves.
Look at me. I'm a Lombax.
The Lombaxes are gone. And I know a hollow guys when I see one.
Can you stop trying to kill me for 2 seconds so we can talk?
Try this. You're starting to annoy me. How about a barbecue? You should have trained more before coming for me. I've toyed with you long enough. Not bad. It almost borders on talent.
Not so difficult.
Now I've got you. It can't be. You're Caden's son.
Forgive me. General Alister Azimuth, Forbolt Magistrate of the Lombax Praetorian Guard, Elder Councilman for the Center for Advanced Lombax Research, and you, my dear boy, look just like your father.
I have so many questions. How did you know him?
Caden and I were good friends. He was a great Lombax, smart as they could come. He was the first outsider to theorize that the Great Clock even existed.
And this clock, you think Clank's in there?
Clock is a rather crude translation of the runes on Quantos. Specifically, they say Keeper of Time. But yes, I suspect he is. You see, according to Fungoid lore, the Zoni are the guardians of time. If your friend is connected to them, he must play some part in its operation. Now, where are those blasted things?
Wait, I thought my father was the only one to stay behind when the Lombaxes left. Why didn't you go with them?
Sometimes the universe has a cruel sense of humor. Ah, here they are. Your father's hover boots. Ready for your first lesson?
These over boots are amazing, believe me.
Thyrraosis, you're going to have to learn how to outmaneuver him. Now, used properly, these hover boots will give you exactly the edge you need. Now, back straight, legs bent slightly at the knee, and engage. Wonderful. Well, take him for a spin.
Oh, come on, I hate it when I want to break something and I'm not far enough to get speed.
Ah! I see you found the accelerator. I've set up a small practice course for you over here. Come on back when you're ready to give it a shot.
Where's Azimuth? Here he is.
Well,
Looks like you've got the basics down. Now let's try something a bit more challenging, like this hover boot course.
In the final game, it was originally intended to have like races. You can actually find some in the Insomniac Moon. Where's the start? I think it's just the start, right? Yep. Also, the overboots replace Clank, in other words. Because we can glide with them.
Well done. You're a faster learner than your father. I have one final test set up over there. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Follow me. And now for your final exam. We'll test your speed as well as your skill. You must complete the course and grab every flare along the way in under a minute. If you succeed, I may just let you keep those hover boots.
You're funny.
That was some of the finest hover booting I've ever seen. Nice work, Ratchet. Ion coils might be a bit rusty. You'll get used to them.
Thanks. So what now? Storm Nefarious' stronghold? Force him to tell us where the clock is, huh?
Nefarious would be foolish to reveal that information to us, no matter what we do to him. But we have an advantage I did not have before. A contact inside the clock.
Clank? How are we gonna talk to him? General, my ship's this way?
No thanks. I brought my own. Meet me in Axiom City, planet Thyrraosis.
What are we looking for in Axiom City?
A way to talk to Clank!
Oh yeah, skill point, Son of Caden. You get this skill point for completing the course under a certain time. And Zoni, don't run away from me. I'm going to kill you. No, I'm going to catch you. What the hell? Why did I say kill you? It makes me look like a murderer. Damn it! Zoni! I am your father, come here. Oh no, this isn't what I wanted. Oh well. Zoni! Where's the Zoni? Where's the freaking Zoni? Oh, there he is. Damn it! I do hate to have to double jump with these boots. They're kind of weird. I don't know. Let's leave this. I think now we need to get some Zonies to proceed.
Ratchet, come in. I've keyed into your nav unit so we can communicate.
Copy that. So, what's in Axiom City?
A company called Points Industries. Nefarious hired them to locate Zoni technology. They keep a database of every obsidian eye in the universe.
Oh yeah, I found one once back on Murdergraw. Too bad the Hulafoids dismantled it.
Pollux won't just let us waltz into the building. We may have to be a little aggressive.
I'm ready. Be there as soon as I can.
I'm pretty sure I need some more Zoni to be able to traverse that, because I think we need the thing to go faster. Wait, here's the gold ball. I need to go. I need to take the left path. I thought either way would take me to the zone. Oh shit, that was lucky. Whee! Yeah, I think we can proceed now. Yep. Here we are.